Ice cream brunch. I thought about it, but I decided if it's afternoon in my time zone, it can't be ice cream for breakfast, so we have to save the ice cream for another day. Now, I am having chocolate. I'm not going to lie. That is happening right now. So, you know. You know. I'm going to revert this file because I was working on it late last night and bad things were happening. Things were harder than they should be. Let's just say that. See that 4:54 a.m. Because I was up late because I was watching Gary and Bob on their nuke attempt where they came within 15 seconds of winning. And then they didn't. Okay. It was very. What kind of chocolate? Gabe Newell sent me the steamed chocolate this year because since we are no longer currently running an office, our office address is my home address, and so like if somebody just sends chocolates to the office, I just have to eat them now. Yeah, every year steampowered.gabe.com sends chocolate to all the Steam developers. They've been doing that for a really long time. Um, at least since I was ever on Steam, which was like 2009, 2010. Did they send the good ones that I requested years ago? They did switch to really good ones for a couple years. Now they're pretty okay ones. They're Franz chocolate, which is, I think they wanted to do a Seattle-based company or something because somebody there is mildly woke and buys into that. So Franz is Seattle-based. And they're a lot better than Teo, which is the garbage trash chocolate company that they used for a couple of years, which is also Seattle-based. Do not ever buy Teo chocolates. They're fucking horrible. Fucking horrible. He told the story on his chocolate. When did he have a chocolate tasting stream? And what did he say about it? I did send them an email. I said, guys, I really appreciate it that you send us chocolates every year. That's really cool, but these chocolates are trash. It's a lot of chocolate to send. I know. I mean, it was a lot less back when they started, right? Um, because there weren't that many, like there weren't indie developers on Steam hardly when they started. Or I don't know when they started. When I started getting them, there just weren't that many companies on Steam, and now it's like literally a billion. I mean, I think you probably have to meet some threshold of sales to be on the real developer list, right? It's like not like everybody who publishes a shovelware game on Steam gets the GabeChocolates.com, right? Probably. But you know, if you think about it, how much does it cost to send a box of chocolates like this to someone? I don't know. They're pretty good chocolates, so it's probably under $100 to send them. Um, so like as long as they make way more than $100 off a developer, it's just a cost of doing business. And it justifies their 30% take. So you know all those arguments about 30% being too much and Epic Store is better because they only charge 12%. And so developers would be much better off on the Epic Store than on Apple or Steam or all this stuff. Well, Tim Sweeney doesn't send us chocolates. QED. Therefore, 30% is the right amount because we get chocolate. $50 per box. It's hard to say. Okay, so what we're getting this time, and it's changed over the years, but we got 2 boxes of truffles where it's 16 truffles in each box, so it's 32 chocolate truffles, and then 4 little like bars that are bigger than truffles. So it's like 36 pretty decent chocolates. Like retail, those would be more than $1 each, right? And then you got to ship them, and you got to ship them with the cold pack so they don't melt and all that. Can you see them? No. I'm not doing camera right now because I just woke up and I don't want to be on camera. Thought it was Christopher Elbow that I suggested. I probably did, but back then also there was this place called Coco Bella that was like a chocolate aggregator and distributor where they would get the best truffles from all sorts of chocolatiers. Christopher Elbow was one of those, but there were a number of them. And they were good, but they went out of business, unfortunately. On the other hand, the extra percent revenue could buy you a lot of excellent chocolate. I mean, yeah, but like Gabe sent us chocolate, man, you know? If you send yourself chocolate, it's not like a Christmas present in the same way. $20 gallons would just arrive half melted after sitting in a truck for 2 days. Why would an ice cream company just ship ice cream? That doesn't even make sense that they would think that that was a good idea. What's the process with coming up the art and style of a level? I didn't do that on that level, so why are you asking? Would I modify a puzzle to fit an art idea? No, that's not how it works. I mean, there might be small modifications that don't matter. Like, is the setting an ocean stretching off infinitely, or do we want walls around because it's more consistent with the other setting? If the puzzle is agnostic to that, we would change that. But we're not going to change the idea of a puzzle to fit a setting. That's trash. In a puzzle game that's supposed to be about the puzzles, that's the wrong way around. You're imagining artists have to come up with assets to fit the complex setup of Zachtronics. No, not really. Because we already have 3D levels in the game. That's the whole thing. So what the physical structure of that level was not really more complicated than anything else. There's more gameplay objects in it. But that doesn't matter. It's just a level with some hallways and some walls. And I have no idea what it's going to look like. I haven't even thought about it, so if you want information, I don't have any for you because we probably would not look at doing art for that level for a while yet. Okay, let me try to actually do some of this work here. So I was getting bitten by this stupid ass hack. Let me show you guys. So when tests fail, originally we would just log the name in, or by log, we would output to the log, but also we put it in a table. We have a table of levels that succeeded and a table of levels that failed, right? And then at some point, I wanted to add timed versus untimed, right? And then I realized, well, I was like, do I want to do this? Do I want to make the data structure storing this more sophisticated? No, I'll just concatenate it to the name of the level. So when we report the name of the level, we say like magnitudes timed, okay? Now, you'll notice here, actually no. This is because I deleted things. I thought I had something in the log folder. Here we go. So if I go to a thing where we tested, the actual output, because I deleted lines there to see, we actually get 2 reports for things. And the reason why is because I reported it when we don't load the file, but then some other piece of code later reports it when we cycle to the next test. And it doesn't pass a string, so we give it this default string. And because these don't match, we register it twice. So it says 13 tests failed when there's really only 10, because we have 3 that are like these fucking dupes, right? And that sounds easy and stupid to fix, and I was trying to fix it last night while Gary and Bob were doing their thing. And it was like things that should have been simple. It was a disaster. You like start putting if statements in and whatever, and it's like, oh my God. So regardless of whether the fix is simple, I actually just want to do the step where I remove the stupid ass hack of making that the level name, and we can at least tell if it's already registered. And that'll be less stupid. It'll be less 125 IQ. And we can just go forward from there. All right, so let me make sure we even compile right now, because I reverted one file. Notation. How is that? I thought I reverted that. Did I check this in like this briefly? I guess I did. That's weird. Okay, so this compiles. This was an earlier thing that I was doing. Okay, so maybe add level name. See, this is an array of strings. And I'm just going to make it an array of level test result. Yeah. So we have batch levels failed, batch levels succeeded. I'm just going to make it a hash table. And, ooh, the oven just beeped. I'm going to go put my potatoes in the oven. I'll be back in a second. Okay. Cooking some breakfast taters. Brecka lunch. Okay. What is this thing that I was watching last night? I was watching twitch.tv.com. Twitch.etc. Okay. So, I mean, it's just so stupid, though. But it's fine. I'm even going to make only this one a hash table. I just went over and opened the freezer and was reminded that the ice cream is right there. It's right there. All right. See, I'm just hesitating on this because it shouldn't be this complicated. I mean, it is stupid. Let's not make it a hash table. This is fine. Okay. See, I think this might be what broke us or something. Like setting that test to null was causing us not to finish in some cases or something. I don't know, maybe not. I just want to be cleaner about all this stuff. Will there be another stream with beta users? I don't know. How easy is it to write a special compare function? Yeah, I could do that, and I thought about it. It's just that's layering a hack on top of a hack, right? So you're digging deeper into the hack hole, and I did not want to do that. Although we could have done that. That's for sure. All right, so this one, now it's clarified that, see, when it succeeds, there's not even a reason to have a notation. Okay, see, that becomes a much simpler function. And now for this one, this is the test fail result one. So I just realized, oh, I see. Yeah. This is kind of gross. Like, where did name come from? I guess there. Yeah. Okay. What did I call it? Reason? Reason. I'm sure they will listen to reason. Okay. This is all coming out a little bit cleaner than before, which is good. Oh, but we don't pass the name here, which is probably a fucking mistake, but okay. So batch levels failed, batch levels failed. Batch levels succeeded, batch levels failed. Okay. Let's make this. Quick sort. Oh, we do sort it. Bro. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. A, B, compare strings A.name, B.name. Free it. Oh, because we're calling. Oh. I made so many mistakes in life. All right, so do I just run a test? Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to, because I don't want to run 500 tests to see if this works, or 700 tests. But we do want to do the batch mode. So here's what we're going to do. Okay, so here's where we... Okay, so here's the test that we're going to run, which is where we go over all the levels on the overworld. And here's what we're going to do. We're going to add a little hack that says no check-in. I want to make sure we test this one because this is the one that was causing me grief last night. But then if level entry table.count is greater than 20 break, we're just going to do 20 levels. In debug build, it's going to be great. It's going to be great. Boom. It's the No Bullet Nuke Challenge with Gary and Bob. Gary and Bob. Okay, so we ran and we got 20 levels succeeded, no failures. Okay, that's fucking bullshit because we needed to test failures. Okay, that was the problem in my plan. If we don't test failures at all, like what? That should be a failure. How is that? Because skipping stones doesn't succeed, right? Loading level skipping stones. Testing level skipping stones. Error colon. And then nothing. That's pretty weird. What do you mean error colon and then nothing? See, these I get. Code 2, the system cannot find the... What are we error colon? Well, now we have another thing to debug. Five levels plus skipping stones. Okay, so we're going to just go there. And then we're going to break and log error. Error logging error. I mean, it happens. So there a way to many test just a selected level set? Yeah, we could do that. Like, you know, you're suggesting things that I know. Like, I've been programming for literally 41 years. It's fine. It's just I'm constantly judging how much of a hassle is it to do a thing versus another thing, because the number of things that I have to do is infinity, right? So if I spend a little bit of time writing code to do something, that's time that I'm not spending on other things. So I'm constantly making that evaluation of how worth it is it to do anything. And that's one of the most important parts of my job, actually. Oh, I forgot. Wait. Are we running from here? We are. Wait, did we get testing level skipping stones? See, now I'm extra perplexed. And this is not good. I do not want to be going. It's not even fucking in there. End of batch. Like what? We tested 5 levels. Oh. See, this was me being dumb. That's probably okay. This is why there was an error. Probably. I don't know. Did I just compile? It went so fast. All right. Would it be useful if I had a totally deterministic SOC style system? Not really. No. It's just more work to deal with another system. Like, we almost never do anything. Dude, the amount of time that I spend caring about specific CPU instructions is close to 0. That's just not a problem that I deal with. Like, I do not need more fucking work to do. There we go. That's skipping stones. Now this test is going to fail because it's already desynced. You're asking me if there was already a way, does many tests use a particular level set? Now you're just annoying the fuck out of me. Like, look, yes, there is code to look through level sets and do whatever. No, it doesn't do exactly that. Yes, it would take me time to make it do exactly that. Yes, there's a probability that I make a mistake while doing that, and then it doesn't work, and then I have to fucking debug that, and that's another thing I have to fucking do now. All right? Go watch Twin Peaks Fire Walk with me, where they go knock on the Harry Dean Stanton's trailer park door. All right, here's how I feel about this. Here's how I feel about this, all right? You're the federal agents, and I'm Harry Dean Stanton, all right? Hold on, we got to get desktop audio back. And I need to listen to it too, which means I need to get my headphones out. This is also straight up, and the coffee is Golden Monkey tea. See, David Lynch's problem was he liked coffee, whereas he should have liked Golden Monkey tea, all right? So this is, oh, this is so complicated. I have to like mute the game. Okay, it's complete though. Here's we need to find the actual scene. That was the whole point of this. Here we go. Wait. Here we go. Why is the resolution so shitty? Come on. 240p? What bullshit is this? No. No. Full film? Somebody just put the full movie up? Hopefully it's at more than 240p. That was the whole scene that I wanted to get at, all right? That's all. That's all you're giving me is more shit I gotta do now. Yeah, of course I can think of playing level tests in various permutations. It's fine. There's reasons why I don't do these things. Okay. That is what it feels like to be a programmer on a complicated project. And all the people in chat are coming up and knocking on the trailer park door. And they're like, is your to-do list getting shorter? And I'm answering, and I'm Harry Dean Stanton, and I'm just like, oh my God, guys. What the fuck? All right? That is how it feels to be me. You're welcome. One test failed. Failed skipping stones timed. Okay, so we're just printing it out like this. So we can do better than that. And that's it. But I don't want to put the reason in parentheses anymore because that was just part of a stupid hack. Boy, we're getting so much work done today. It's amazing. All right. So we're just going to run a release build. It's going to take a year to build because of LLVM test and go. We could have another Harry Dean Stanton scene. Let's see what. I gotta wait till the Benny test starts. Of course, Miller is the best character in Repo Man, not Harry Dean Stanton, but you know.
So how much do I get paid? 25 bucks a car?
Paid? You don't get paid. You kidding? You work on commission. That's better than being paid. Most cars you rip are worth $200 or $300. $50,000 Porsche might make you $5 grand. Come on, dickhead. It helps if you dress like a detective, too. Detectives dress kind of square. Think this guy's a cop, you're gonna think you're packing something. I don't fuck with you so much.
Are you?
What?
Packing something.
An asshole gets killed for a car. Guys that make it are the guys that get in their cars at any time. Get in at 3 a.m., get up at 4. That's why there ain't a repo man I know that don't take speed.
speed, huh?
Jesus Christ. I never broke into a car, never hotwired a car, kid. I never broke into a trunk. I shall not cause harm to any vehicle nor the personal contents thereof, nor through inaction let that vehicle or the personal contents thereof come to harm. It's what I call the repo code, kid. Don't forget it. Etch it in your brain. Not many people got a code to live by anymore. Hey, look at that. Look at those assholes over there. Ordinary fucking people. I hate them.
Me too.
What do you know?
See, an ordinary person spends his life avoiding tense situations. Repo man spends his life getting into tense situations. Assholes. Let's go get a drink. Tense situations, kids. Get into 5 or 6 of them a day don't mean shit anymore. I mean, I've seen men stabbed that mean shit. Yeah, I've seen guns too. They don't mean shit. But that's when you gotta watch yourself. Here, I'll handle it, pal. Try to settle down. Have a nice day. Night. Night, day.
Wasn't that Otto?
Otto who?
A lot of people don't realize what's really going on.
Okay,
If
hold
you-
on. We got to go to the... Oh, damn it, dude. The test is stuck. Oh, no, I didn't take out the level clamp, all right? I made that whole release build. Okay, we can take... Well, yeah, we can take this out. Dude, I goofed. This is a goof right here. This is a goof. We can permanently delete these. All right. Gotta redo this. Hope you guys are enjoying your movie education. Should you actually watch the whole movie? Yes, it's an excellent movie. It's a classic of cinema. Okay, we're going to watch another scene from Repo Man. As soon as LLVM allows us to run our program, I can't believe people put up with this shit. We need to do. I just don't have, I'm like Harry Dean Stanton in the trailer park. I can't just do everything. And that includes, we still haven't done our own optimizing back end, right? All right, here we go. This is quintessential Repo Man here.
A lot of people don't realize what's really going on. They view life as a bunch of unconnected incidents and things. They don't realize that there's this, lattice of coincidence that lays on top of everything. I'll give you an example, show you what I mean. Suppose you're thinking about a plate of shrimp. Suddenly somebody will say, plate or shrimp or plate of shrimp, out of the blue, no explanation. No point in looking for one either. It's all part of a cosmic unconsciousness.
You eat a lot of acid, Miller, back in the hippie days?
I'll give you another instance. You know the way everybody's into weirdness right now? Books in all the supermarkets about Bermuda triangles, UFOs, how the Mayans invented television, that kind of thing.
I want to read them books.
Well, the way I see it, it's exactly the same. There ain't no difference between a flying saucer and a time machine. People get so hung up on specifics, you miss out on seeing the whole thing. Take South America, for example. In South America, thousands of people go missing every year. Nobody knows where they go.
Uh-oh. Dude, the game is taxing.
Just like disappear. But if you think about it for a minute, you realize something. There had to be a time when there was no people, right?
Yeah, I guess.
Well, where did all these people come from? I'll tell you where. The future. Where'd all these people disappear to?
The past?
That's right. And how'd they get there?
How the fuck do I know?
Flying saucers. Which are really... Yeah, you got it. Time machines. I think a lot about this kind of stuff. I do my best thinking on the bus. That's how come I don't drive, see?
You don't even know how to drive.
I don't want to know how. I don't want to learn, see? The more you drive, the less intelligent you are.
Okay. Classics of American cinema, right there. Doesn't he drive in the end? Spoilers! Someday the game will be done. Someday the game will be done. Someday the game will be done. And that day is getting closer every day. Actually, the game will be done in the distant past, is I think what's going to happen. Okay. Hey, look. We have reasonable test output. It has been fixed. Praise whoever. We could record one just to do it. The thing is, these are long and kind of difficult. I don't necessarily... Let's just try one. All right. Oh, we got to record. So, at the worst, I'll be remembering how to solve this for later, which I, kind of need to know. Okay, I can't get that one yet, because then I get stuck in the room, but I can get this one. I got 3 gems already. Wait, we closed up that hole. That is a modification of Sean's original design. Okay, so I could smash that. I can get that and open that, but I cannot get that gem yet. Okay, now what? You know what? This actually needs to be a timed test. Because of the friendly dragon. Anyway. So I can't get that one. I'm forcing time this time, which means it's going to be an extra long because I'm going to be figuring it out. It's going to be like, ugh. All right. Okay, so I'm going to do these again. And so what does this do for us? Let's actually look at that. So we get a smash beam that goes further. which hits that stone from the left. But I can't necessarily get in there. Get in there. Get over here. Okay. So we have 4 gems right now. All right, so this will get us out from here. So we can go spoop, open, and spoop. And now we have 5. Okay. Well, 5 if we get the one up there. Now that we have 5, we could light these 3. We can do all of these now, right? We can go spoop 1, 2, 3. Well, oh, I need that. So now I can open this gate. Boom. All right. And now I can actually get this gem if I want it. I still can't smash this stone. Okay. Now I can, of course, go back in there later and retrieve that. Oh, I still haven't gone onto that screen down there at all. Let's do that. So we're at 6. I forget, I think we need 8. Oh yeah, we can smash these. And then I forget where that gets us. Let's go look. Okay. So the problem is we need that open beam on, but we've got enough gems for that. Ah, then we smash this dude from this side. But now we need to get out, which needs the purple beam from the bottom. That's okay, though. We can do that. We've got oh. Except I need to... It takes a lot of gems to do this one. Let's put it that way. Grab, spoop, spoop, dewhoop. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. How do we get 8? By what infernal magic do we get 8? So that red gate down there, well, like I'm looking at that red gate in the lower left and thinking like, how do I get that? But nobody's pointing at it right now. Actually, this red gate north of me. Oh yeah, okay, I can get in there, right? The lolcat of this is that I need to put all these frickin' gems back to get in there. Right? And then now that I've re-enabled that, I need to like take this off for a second so I can grab these. Okay. But then I can go in here and get myself out. And now that red gate, we can even get one more gem. Right? Because this pup be over here. We go shpoop da whoop. Did we literally get 9 gems? Maybe that's how many. Oh, we do need 9, I think. You'll see why. Well, I don't know how many we need. We might need frickin' 16. You know what? We might need 16. Honestly. If you think I remember things about this game, you might be mistaken. Okay. We're just going to go downstairs with our... Yeah, I think we need 16, guys. Unfortunately. But let's go take a look. We got 9. All right. So here we go. Map Holio. Oh no, this is Promise 3. I was thinking of 2. 9. Hey. Okay. We got the thing. Wait. Wait, I'm playing Promise 2. In my brain, I was playing Promise 3. That's why I was so confused. So I need to rotate this up. Guys, Promise 2 is the hard one. Overworld unlocked. Okay. Fudge. So can't get in there unless I do this. And then I kind of can't get out. See, if I rotate, I could rotate them up when I go in, but then that prevents me from getting out. Oh no, it doesn't. I could do that. And that gets me in and out, so I can go here. Okay. I'm still at 9, but we get 1 down there, so that's 10. That's a 10 bagger. Oh, wow, this is rotated left. See how much easier this game is to play when you can see this frickin' map? I can do this. Okay. That takes us up to the starting room where he says, feed me. I'll give him 1. Chomp. Okay, so where do I go now? I need to get... Aha. Oh, good thing. Good thing I still have 9. Shpoop. Shpoop. Okay, so this is a double beam that I could rotate various ways. So's that. We got all kinds of beams, basically, is what we are saying here. All we are saying is give beams a chance. So this room I kind of get trapped in. I remember that. Because I could rotate it, so I can get in right now, and then I get it, and then I could rotate it left. But that also traps me unless it blocks against something. So I need a way out. I need a way out. Okay, what does this yellow want to shine on? Now it wants to shine to the right. There's all sorts of things to do here. Let's get all the things open. Okay, if that yellow shines left, we could smash something. And I guess, oh no, we can't. That just does that. Okay, there's a thing. If we could walk through the wall, we could smash it. And if we shine right, similar. Similar, okay. This is where I don't know what to do. If we get stuck, we could also go upstairs because the two levels are kind of orthogonal to each other. Well, not kind of, they are. They are orthogonal. Au naturel, orthogonal. Let me have another Choco. Do I think I can go from 0 to job with C++ in a year? I don't care. I don't care about jobs. You are asking the wrong person. I don't give a shit. There are way too many programmers who are bad at their job who have so-called developer careers. So if you want to join those ranks, fine. I'm not going to help you, though. I wouldn't have, like, more respect for you if you become a shitty programmer. Like, why is that even under consideration? Don't you have expectations for your life? You should be asking how to be a good programmer, not how to scrape by for the minimum requirements to get a job. Because the people who ask the former question often become top of their field and actually do very well in terms of job prospects as well. People who ask the latter question you know what I'm saying? So I can do this. That doesn't seem very good. Really? I don't see the point of that. Oh, I can go over here, though. How would I ever open this red gate? Do I open it? So it's got to be from a neighboring-ish square. I really don't see that much red. There's 3 reds. Okay, I think I have to open that with endpoint plus the 9 bagger down there on the bottom. So I'm not going to try that yet. Okay. If I could turn this double beam to my left rightward, I could get this gem. Easy clap. I don't see a way to do that. Unless I turn that green beam to the right and also smash some stuff. Okay. I am a little bit confused. Okay. So I'm remembering something about this gem. To get out, I use this double beam, and to get in, I use the through beam. Okay, wait. If I turn that through beam north, it hits that down there. Wait, I can get in. Oh, I'm a goofball. So I can get in here. This doesn't take me anywhere, though, except back out. So I could do that, right? That takes me... Oh, but I can't... Like we said, I can't get out. If I could get out, then I could turn the green beam south, because I could come back in from the other side. Break on through to the other side. I don't know how... What is my story about how I would get out? If that endpoint beam is rotated south, that would allow this, I think. I'll show you which one I mean. It's this one down here that we were playing with. Let me power this off for a bit, because it's going to be a problem. So this one, I could turn it east or west. If I turn it west, okay, then I can turn it south. Now I could ride it to the north from that room, if you see what I'm saying. So I can go through here, I can rotate this guy, and I can whip out. All right. And now, when I go back down here, how do I get? Okay, when I go this way, I was thinking about other things, about trying to finish the game, and I totally blanked. Oh yeah. So the reason I did this was so I could rotate this in a different direction. Now my problem is what other directions do I have? Oh, I'm also seeing something else I can do. See, this is distracting. There's so many things to do. So I thought, oh, I could rotate it down. But I can't rotate it down unless I smash this smash. Oh, yes, I can. Wait. I would be stuck in the wall, though, because I would rotate it away from myself. So we need to smash this smash, which also does not seem easy. Okay, well, there's another thing we could do, which is we could rotate this guy down. That seems helpful. Oh, that lets us get out if this is... It lets us get in from the other side. I don't know what we're trying to do anymore, guys. But now we have a little L-shaped path to go in there. You know what else we could do, though? Oh, dang it. Okay. So we could get in here, and if we want to, we could do this. Or we could shunt it to the right. Oh, you know what? If we do it to the right, and then I shut off the endpoint beam, see that? Now I'll double beam, but I'll double into the wall. Now the thing is, okay, I could shut off the double beam. Dude, there's so many things to do. And you know what I never did? Like this whole thing over here I could have done the whole time, by the way. Which is relevant to our interests, actually. Okay. How do I get... Oh yeah, that's a smash beam. I thought that was a double that was going to block me. Okay, so if I shut this off for a bit, I could go through there. And then if I do these doubles, watch this shit. So this whole thing, which I could have done the whole time, is I could have gone schwip, schwip, schwap. Okay, I have a gem. Boom. And now this traps me in most directions, but I can go schwappity schwap. Okay, now I can rotate one of these away from the other one. Oh, if I could fucking get out, which I can't. Okay. Oh, well, here's what we do. Before we go in, we got to do this. Now we can get out. And then we do this. Okay. We're going to go back in there. Hope you appreciate how complicated this puzzle is. So, why did I go here? Oh, so I could do that. See that? Now, we're plus one more gem. If I can get out, which I can do this way. And now I could turn this one left. And that gets me... See, it would get me out. Oh, if I could turn the other one left. Oh no, there's a frickin' rock right there. Obviously. Okay, that doesn't help me. Okay, we're gonna leave these like so. The other thing I could do is turn this one back north. You know what, let's do that, because that might be useful to us later. If we can get rid of that rock. If we can get rid of that rock. All right. So, like, oh, you know what? This would be handy. This, oh no. Okay, well, actually, it would be handy that way, wouldn't it? Maybe. I mean, not any more handy than the other one that's already there. So... Okay, I can smash that rock now, though. Because I can do this. I can go in from the bottom. Dude, this game is so much easier with graphics. Alright, smash! And now we open. Didn't even need that beam. I'm going to send an email. Gmail's not even loading. It's so slow. Oh my God. It does not need this open beam in the northeast room. Maybe this makes the game slightly harder, but maybe it's just... You know what? Let me not send this mail yet, because as I'm looking at the map, I'm like, we don't know how this door opens yet. And it could be a red herring that this looks like it's for this, but really it's for that. Because if we can get a double beam or a through beam or anything through here, like, no, but I think it's endpoint. We'll see. I saved it as a draft. Okay. I need to delete the fucking crank session thing because everybody asked that and we haven't done one in a long time. It's one of the many annoying things. Because I didn't, like, it displays in different places if it's mobile versus not, so it looks more prominent than I want it to be. Okay, are we done with this yellow beam? Maybe not. Because maybe we can smash the stone to the right. That would require some gymnastics, though. Okay, let's think about this one. Because like I said, I think I can do the following thing. This is pretty cool. Shboop. Okay, now the problem is I can't get out. I could get out into the room down there. We could go purple, 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 but then I need to get out of that room. Which I could do if I could turn this orange beam to my left, to the right. I could get out of the room. I could get out of the room and I could get that gem. It's like a double whammy in Miami. Okay, but also, I mean, I could have smashed this a while back, so why didn't I do that? Now, this beam kind of locks me into this hallway a bit. What is a good way to show this? You don't have to show it. Stop worrying about showing it. Worry about being it. If you be it and people don't recognize that, that's their problem. Right? You shouldn't aspire to be a fucking poser. All right? You should aspire to actually be good. Okay, wait. I could turn this left anytime. Then I could turn it up anytime. And then maybe yeah, okay. So here what we're supposed to do is turn it left and then up. Oh, and now it's blocked in a secret room that I can't see. I could turn it left again. Yeah, just aspire to be good. It's not that hard. And it's way better than what most people try to do. Like, all parts of life are full of people who are trying to, like, schmooze their way by. Oh shit, my potatoes are probably burning. Hold on. It's what happens when I get too absorbed in solving the game. Not the potatoes. Yeah, we were out of ideas for the game, so we had to copy Portal 2 and have potatoes. We had to be like all the other indie developers who copy Portal in their game. Am I not getting something? See, the problem is if I turn it north, it's... Oh, I can. Wait, I am IQ 120 right now. Watch this shit. Watch this shit. Wait, it doesn't work. Oh, because I'm in an endpoint beam. Dang it. See, if I could just turn that guy to the right. Any idea what happened to our machinery? No. My assumption is that they got sued for code similarity. Like, that's the only thing that makes sense, is they either got sued for code similarity or other intellectual property. But I don't actually know that. You would expect better answer here. I'm giving you the best answer. Has anything drastically changed about the undo system? Not really. I mean, I'm not sure. So the thing is, I'm not sure what the details were. If the video was literally 4 years ago, holy crap, that was a long time ago. But we've been pretty stable on what the core system is for a while. And then there's just like little issues that come up. But that's part of the design of the system, is that we can add one-offs to deal with little issues. And so it's working as expected. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I see a thing to do. Here's my thing. I'm going to turn this, right? Remember this thing that we did? And I'm going to go back through because there's a tricky time. I will show you the tricky time. Tricky, tricky time. Tricky, tricky. So we go into this loop. We come out. Oh, damn it. I don't see that fucking rock right there. I forgot about the fucking rock right there. Never mind. I don't mean the rock Hollywood star. I mean the rock right there that you can't fucking see. Dude, I'm just trying to win. I'm just trying to win. I don't know why the game doesn't want me to win. George is online. Cool, cool. He doesn't stream that much lately. Okay, you know what? I want to unwind all the way back to this orange beam because I'm not sure I can get it back. So let's do that. So we haven't... Wait, I could probably get into that room. I've been assuming I can't... Oh, wait. No. No. Oh, but if I turn the orange beam sideways, I can. Right? No, because I can't go through anything. Does this purple beam... Does this like go all the way? Yeah, that hits itself, so I cannot go through that. Okay, here's the thing, guys. Here's what I'm seeing right now. I wish I could get the cursor. So see the red gate that's under the console. right there. See that red gate? If I open that, then I can rotate the smash beam left. It'll go through the gate. And I'll smash the stone. And then I can get out after getting that gem. Now, how do I open that gate? There's hardly any open beams. There's only two that could be relevant. This one, which is very sus because it's 2 squares away, which makes me think about double beams, right? And then this one, which is like 3 squares away, which ain't going to help us, right? And then if we could pile up lots of double beams, there's this one that's like half a map away or something. Probably not worth thinking about. So I think it's this one plus a double beam. Now the question is, can I get a double beam here? Because that would be the place. And the answer is no, and that's why I'm confused. Because it sure looks like I'm supposed to double beam right fucking there. Maybe that gate's unopenable. Maybe it's an endpoint beam pointing at the... Oh, yeah, that's okay. No, it is. It is. Okay, no, we solved it. We solved it. It's that endpoint beam that you just saw me toggle. Okay, I'm going to need to get some gems back, guys. Sorry. Sorry, I need one more. Shouldn't have fed that one to the dude. Oh, there's a stone there. Motherfucker. Why doesn't the game want me to win? This is too goddamn hard, dude. Like, I'm as expert at this game as anyone in the world, except maybe Zach has looked at it harder. Like, Sean probably doesn't even remember this. Why am I having a problem? Is there no way to get to the hidden square? Well, there's certainly a way. We just haven't done it yet. We need to get through there. Wait, no, I can get there by going left. What am I even talking about, guys? Okay. This is probably me having been foolish. Oh no, that looked like a double. See, we have to adjust the colors. I was like, oh, I'll just take this orange beam to the left. Nope, it's not orange. It's not orange. It is not an orange Julius beam. It is not an orange Julius beam. Okay, so let me recap all the things I know. I can even show you the sequence. I can do a sequence here that almost gets me 2 gems. Right? I can go schwip, schwip, gem, schwip, gem. My problem is I can't get out after this. I could get out if that orange beam to my left were pointing right, because I would just go pop through the wall. Okay. And I could get that gem over there. Now, we don't know how to do that, is the problem. I can rotate it north. But then I'm stuck when I try going through this beam up here. Okay. other gem that we could think about. This one right here. We could pop in there. If this orange beam were rotated to the right, for example, which we could easily do, then once we're in there and grab the gem, we could teleport out over the orange beam. That's one idea. And we could get in there by going through the green beam. But the problem is the green beam will put us into the wall in the double beam. Oh, no, it won't because the gem's blocking it, guys. Guys, I thought ahead too much. Damn it, bro. Yeah, obviously the gem's blocking it. Okay. I have to do this north, even though I could do it west, because west will put me in the wall. But then I'll come down here. Yeah, like, okay. That one was just... My think ahead algorithm had an error in it. Okay, I gotta turn off this purple beam. It's being a butt pain. Now, right, so here I can go left. Wait, I need it down. We can do this one. Yeah. And from there I can go down. See, that's a tricky, funny thing. Is you control both beams at once, but one is already down. Okay. Now I grab the gem and now I get out. Okay. Progress. Good. Okay, but now see, I want to rotate this in some other direction now. Because I'm now thinking maybe I want it west. Because maybe I can... I don't know. I don't know, guys. See, I can rotate this back right. And as long as I don't get the gem, let's just try rotating it left. I kind of don't... See, while I'm here, I'm still facing west. Oh, but now I can't get out if I do that. Sad. Okay. Now there is one other thing I can do that I haven't done. I don't know if it helps me. I can turn that orange beam south. Doesn't look like it helps me. So another thing that's sus is if I stand here, that's 4 squares away from the stone that I could smash. And there's one double beam there that shines on it if I rotate it. But getting another one, there's no other one. See, life is just very difficult. This is just very difficult. Very difficult. Okay. Wait. No. I keep thinking I can smash a rock and then not seeing other rocks. We definitely need to make these rocks more visible and maybe somehow a different color because it's a little too... Yellow and orange is a little too beam-like. We need to find a color. Dude, I swear I'm not thinking of something obvious here. Okay. So if I rotate that purple beam south, which I can do. See, I sort of have this problem that I smashed this. If I hadn't smashed this, I would be able to get out of this room, and thus I would be able to get this gem. See what I'm saying? Because the purple beam would terminate at that stone. So I don't know. So, and that's not necessarily that big a deal because that just means I would have been able to get that one gem up there first, but it's a little sketch in terms of the level design. It's a little sketch. So how else would I get into that lower left corner? Maybe I can just get down there somehow by getting into that passageway. I could double beam through that wall. See, even where the yellow beam is going, there's a stone right north of it and then a gem right there. That's very suggestive that I should be trying to get that. If I could get in there. I could almost get in there from this. Oh, I can get in there, guys. Holy shit. Sorry, language. Language, I can get in there. Oh, fuck that. No, that stone. Okay, the stones are not clear enough. Okay, that is ruining my gameplay experience. I want my money back from this game. So what are the problems so far? There's really too many things on this downstairs level. There's at least one beam that I think I know how to delete, depending on how we open that other door. The stones are not nearly visible enough. The yellow and orange are too close still. And honestly, this overhead map looks bad because it's the same thing pasted all over the place. And that's annoying me. That is my thoughts about this so far. Now, oh, if I rotate that orange beam to the right, we can use it to get out of the chamber. I don't know why I didn't think of that before. So this one, my finger's on the wrong key, right? So, I mean, I could rotate it north first. Oh, that's kind of interesting too. But I could rotate it right. Okay, see this? Now, if I go in here, I can go patang, patang, and get out. Do you see that? And that means that if I go here, I can go patang. Okay. And then what way was I trying to rotate this? To the right. So I can go patang. Oh, because of the end point. I mean, oh, but I could get in there the other way. Let me shut this off for a second. Also, no. So, can I get in there another way? Not currently. If that stone were smashed, that I don't know how to smash, I could get in there. Okay, wait. Wait. Dude, everything's just like one square off. This smash beam down here, if it's shining north, then if I'm standing inside this wall and end point right, I smash the thing. promised to is hard. It is. This is the Zach slightly modified version, which may or may not be harder. I would have thought it would have made it slightly easier. But I did solve this before, but it was like many years ago now. And it was harder back then. Yeah, there's just too many things that don't work because of each other right now. It's really difficult. It's really difficult. There's too many things that almost work that keep drawing my mind into looking at them. Okay. I'm seeing a different thing to do. Let's do this. Let's go in here. We're going to go schwip, schwip, and we're going to turn that shit. See that? We're going to grab this. We're going to go there. Then we're going to get out. Okay, now that also means this can be off and I can get out. Okay, that was the secret ingredient that I was missing, guys. Maybe. Because now this, okay, see, that was, this is a thing where the art style is not doing something that I wanted. So we need to do some revisions. Like, we want to help people think about this as a coherent chunk, right? And this art style is just like, there's a bunch of gray stone all over the map. And if we were thinking about that as a coherent chunk, it may help you solve the problem. Is editor talk bad? Just what, dude? Just don't even come in here and do that. Just, I know you think it's funny, but I don't have time for it. Okay, so now what was I even trying to do? Oh, lol. Okay, see, that's very cute and funny. It just took me so long to realize it. All right, so now we can do this one. See, on the one hand, that's cool. On the other hand, I just had too hard a time for how cool it was, right? Have we solved the downstairs? I think we have. I think that's all the gems. Which means we definitely do not need... Oh no, there's one more. Oh, and there's also the lower left corner, obviously. Okay, hold on. And we know that has like this beam, this double beam, because we can barely see it, but it doesn't get out of the room. So we need to get down there. That's sort of our goal now. Now I could turn this beam back south using the green beam and being in the wall. That's kind of cute. But do I want to do that? Maybe not. Dude, there's so many orange beams. So much orange Julius. Now, suspiciously, I could double these and be in there and be at smash distance from that stone. But there's no smash mouth. Like the only smash... Oh, wait, no, I can't. That is smash. Never mind. I keep thinking that's a double beam. God damn it, we need to fix that. Yeah, dude, I don't know. Okay, how do we get down into that passageway? We don't want this beam turned south because that's what was blocking us from coming down here. So that... Oh, wait. Now I can just smash. What am I doing? Dude, I could have got down here so long ago. Now, this is another thing where graphics are hurting us because this womb plus the fog is fucking covering this stone. This stone looks exactly the fuck like the rest of the map, which is, again... Okay, this makes me angry, right? Because we were hiding the very salient detail. Multiple things. The rest of the map should not look like the rocks. The rocks should stand out when we're an overhead map. Maybe we'll give them some extra juice, but they should not be yellow because we already have orange and yellow beams that look too much like each other. The rocks should not really also be yellow, except there is an argument that maybe they should be because like they're smashable, but I don't know. We need to decide if we're doing that or not. But in any case, that is super goddamn annoying because I could have gotten down here a long time ago. All right. So if the orange beam were north, then I would be able to get the gem and get out. So this is another get in, get out. It's not, he was memeing about editor, like, just don't come in here and do that. Don't, yeah, don't fucking do that. All right, guys, all right, deal. Now, we need to get in there and get out. Now, the good news is that is our last gem. No, we got two. We got two. Oh, but now that we can get in there, we get the other one. Because we do this. Yeah, dude, this annoys me. Also, the rubble looks too much like the wall. All right, so we got that. I don't know if this yellow beam is of any practical use to us anymore. Okay, well, we can get in just with this one, right? Oh, and then we could rotate it, right? And we need the other one to get out. So that doesn't seem bad. Does not seem bad. Oh, right, except it's got to be up. It can't be down. Because down prevents us from going through this passageway. See, this passageway in this square where I am should look different from the rest of the map because it's a coherent thing, and it's making me angry that it is not. Like, dude, I don't want to air any dirty laundry, but yeah. It's hard, guys. Making video games will raise your blood pressure. I just need to more closely direct some of these things, is I guess what I'm saying. Or they're never going to happen correctly. All right. So, and that's fine. That's part of the job sometimes. Here we go. All right, we have finished the downstairs. Now we haven't got the upstairs yet. Oh, we haven't. There's one more. Dang it. Okay, this is good, though. The little whoomp whoomp on the room, of course, helps me spot that there's a gem. It's in the corner. We have not... Okay, we can get to it with that double beam in the upper right. Can we get out? Probably not. That's just how these things go, right? So first, let's turn this on. Okay, and then we'll turn this on. And now I can get to it, right? I can go there, I can go there, there. Grab. Now I'm stuck. So I need a way out of that corner. Oh, well, also... Yeah. How do I get out of that corner? Well, there's that double beam, which I don't think helps. The one that we were just dealing with. Because that only gives us a double, and that sticks us in a wall anywhere that we look. So we need like another double or like a through... What else shines on there? There's not very much. There's not very much that could affect that square. Like an endpoint, please. It's really just that double beam. Oh, that just lets us go back out the way we came in. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, so I need to turn that one back left. Easy clap. Now, and then we need this to get out. So we go there, 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 grab there. Oh, wait, what? Oh, I just accidentally double tapped. That gets me out too. It's fine. All right, so now we're done. We are done. Done, done, done in the sun, sun, sun. So fucking annoying. We have things to fix. All right. Now, we have rooms we couldn't get to on the upstairs. We've got a lizard crawling around. It's nuts. So with this one, can I get out if I turn this? Probably not. Oh, but you know, I can go back through in the forward direction. Except I can't. We need to get in there some other way. But you can see how if I could rotate that yellow to the right, we could smash something, and that's useful. We could probably do something here with this gem. Like, how do I get out of there? Like, this endpoint beam doesn't help because... Well, no, because we could... No. Nope. Nope. Let's just try getting into the rooms because they can have salient information. Okay, so here, easy clap. Oops, don't do that yet. Let's open the door. Okay, so that's good. That's good. So we can... So we can get in here, we can go that way. I can grab this and come out. Hopefully that was not regrettable. Now I can go... See, if I could rotate this yellow, let me just do this, and then I could rotate it to the right, and then I can go here and smash and get this. This is much easier. Much easier than the downstairs so far. Okay, how do we get in the room? In the room. Oh, you know what? Probably. Yeah. So we can go do this guy. And that gets us across the map, except when lizard blocked. And then I can go here. Oops. Lol, I have to go. Wait, why? Where am I even right now? Okay. There we go. Oh, we don't lizard block anymore, which is fine. So that purple beam gets us... Yeah. All right, so we can get that gem out. I'm looking... I'm just going to leave all these greens on. Oh, this will just cross the map completely now. So that's good. So remember our first fun chamber here. See, this map design, dude. We need modifications. Like again, I should be able to look at this, and this area that I'm in, plus this room to the left, should be a self-contained thing that is recognizable relative to everything else. Okay. So now if I push that downward, I can come down here. I can come over here. I can go through here. I can get the gem and get out. Now, is that a good idea? And the answer is maybe not, because maybe I need one of these. But at least at will, we can get this gem. Okay. Let's also rotate that. See that? See what I can do now? Because I can go here and go in the wall and open the door and get that. Are there any other red doors at all? I wonder if there are no more doors. Maybe we like shut down the red beams. I don't know. Maybe that's not necessary. Maybe it's part of the glorious chaos. Okay, what do we need to get? There's a whole room I haven't gotten into yet. Which, by the way, I think I need that beam to get into that I just turned. Let's go to before that, because like I could just undo it. I see how to undo it, but oh wait, what? Oh yeah. Okay. This is fine. I want this beam on now. Wait, what? Oh, fucking one of these beams isn't rendering correctly. The one south of me is on, but it doesn't look like it because there's a bug that's been around for a long time. Okay, so here's how we deal with this. Is we go here, we shut this off from the outside, then we shut this, no, not that. Then we do this, I guess. And then we turn this one back on. Okay. And then we can get in through this wall, hopefully. No, it's not. Oh, okay. Okay, I see how it is. I thought that was going to be a thin wall. I thought I was just going to be able to waltz in there. Like Waltzer White. I thought I was going to be Waltzer White. It turns out I am not. How am I supposed to get in there? Maybe an endpoint beam? Okay, that might not. Do I know how the swirl affects in the force fields? I mean, it's particles undergoing some functions. It's particles undergoing some functions. Okay. So wait, I undid one too many things. Because I undid this. That's a fun time, sun time that we want to keep. For sure. Okay. So, we do not know how to get into that room. I feel like the double beam on the north might have something to say about that. The problem is, I could go up, I could rotate it left, and then I do not know how to get out. I feel like that purple beam would help me get out, but it is rotated the wrong way to help me get out. Oh, also, it probably wouldn't help me get out. Well, people, what could possibly get us in? Okay, if we could smash that stone on the west side of the map, the green beam would go through the wall. How do we smash that stone? Well, we would need a different green beam. It's not happening. It doesn't look like it's happening. Oh, except we could with a double smash, but there's a double there, but like the smash is in the wrong ass place. Okay. You know what we could do as a little brain break? Sometimes you just got to go feed your lizard a little bit. Here, buddy. Have some gems. Okay, I probably shouldn't have given him that many. We'll keep 6 plus whatever we have. So I don't know. I don't know what to do. we there's also this gem on the south, but I'm not that worried about that. We can clean that one up. Well, we need to get into this room. Oh wait, I can get back out because the green beam, guys. Okay, this is another rendering issue. I can't see the green beam that well. I swear it's not my fault. I mean, it is my fault as the frickin' game developer, but it's not my fault as the player. So the thing is, up there, I have to go down around this way. This green beam will get me out. So if I just do this, I could just walk back this way. And I can just walk in there anytime now. So that's kind of annoying. Like when it's a difficult problem, but when the beams overlap, you know, we would like it to be better. So now the problem is I need to get into that beam. I need to get into this orange beam and face it south. And I mean, maybe I can do it from here. Yeah, okay. So see this? Oh, but then I have to shut it off. Okay, but I could at least do this. Now I can get over here. Okay. Now I can't get out from here. Unless, well, it's weird. Okay. If I could smash. So, if the yellow were rotated left, I could smash this stone. And then if the green way south of there were rotated north, I could use that to get out, along with the other green that's already in place. See all that? So we got to rotate the yellow left. And that actually is trivial because we just go this way and then we, whoops, and then we walk that way. There we go. So now we get that, and then we need this green to be north. See, once you have a green highway set up, like, life is good. Okay, this is harder. Not that much harder, but harder, right? Sometimes, okay, teleport, double tap. Double beams are so short right now. They're so fast. They're too fast. So I accidentally do more than one sometimes. Ugh, fuck. Like right there, I went too far as well. So now my problem is I'm just trapped here, which is frankly unfair. So maybe I need to rotate that one in a different direction. Like, well, any other direction is going to trap me there because I have no other way out of that square unless that frickin' double beam that I just reoriented, we're going north. Okay. And then I could get out. Except I couldn't, because then I would reorient that east when I'm in that square. Maybe I get out of there from a different way. What else? Oh, you know what? This other double beam will get me out. I don't even need to smash the stone, guys. Yeah, too touchy right now. This one, I could just do that. And now I can get it out. See this? I go shboomp, shboomp. Oh no, oh yeah, I can, because this is blocking it. Okay, hold on. I can, see, it's a little bit difficult. Okay, now I could smash that. Well, if I turn this off, I could have rotated it maybe, but that was harder to think about. So now I can go here. There's no vertical endpoint beam, so I could smash. Not sure what the benefit of that is, but it is a thing that we could do. This does allow me to rotate the smash beam back north in case that's a thing we want to do. Okay, we still can't get into that frickin' room, though. If I could get into that room... Like, what other ways in does the game want? Like, there's not a lot. So things have to intersect in order for me to get in, or in order to affect the room, right? We know that this purple beam in the upper right just goes through the room. So we're not going to be able to like land on anything in the room via that beam. This purple beam that I was just dorking with, there's no space for me to get in it if I rotate it north or south. So that's also not going to help me. Okay, there's that green beam that I was talking about before. It is actually the case. I was thinking about that as the way to get out of the trap, but we have gotten out of the trap. But that could get us into the room. The problem is the purple beam blocks it, so it can't, well, and the orange beam blocks it, so it can't really wrap. So the problem is once I rotate it out of that one square, I am stuck in the damn square. So I don't really see... Oh no, because orange... Right, so again, that orange Julius on the top, if I rotate it north, I could double out of the square to the south. But... okay, that just means it has to be, well, we want to turn the green north. Okay, so now the problem I have is the following. If I turn that orange Julius on, then we have a double in the square to, oh, but then I just have to get to it from the other side. But then the double beam is going to block me. This is very annoying. Let's get partway there. So here's what I'm saying. If I do this, now I can't get in from the bottom, which sucks. But you know, if this endpoint beam were rotated south again, which I could probably do, right? I could probably rotate it north. Okay, no, that didn't work. I can do this and rotate it west. Yeah, and then I can go south. So I can go in here, and now I can go in here. Now my problem is I'm I'm doubling over the square that I need. Oh, but then the answer, okay. Also, I need to get it to it going north. That's the thing, because I want to rotate it north. And like, I can't do that. I can't do that with this double in place. The double animal style, right? Oh, but I could rotate the other. I could rotate this one this way. I double tapped it. Okay, that's all we had to do. Guys, I was overly confused. So now we can go back over here. Turn this back this way. We can go in there. Oh no, because endpoint. Okay. We gotta shut this down. Okay. Boom, boom. Ta-da. Okay. Now we want that smash beam to be rotated north, which means, okay, well, this is interesting. So now I have to walk in there on the greens. I smash that. And now I can get in with the double beam, which is interesting. Oh, which also means I can do this. Tang, tang, pa-bang-a-lang. And I think we're done. Oh, except we need to get out. Oh. Okay. Yeah. I mean, I think we just unwind at this point and we're done. Right? Right? Let's find out. Oh, we never got this gem that the hallway is de-emphasized. But I think that one's trivial. So for that one, okay. Well, it's not, you know, we need to do a few things here. Oh, also, remember when I said we could get this one anytime, but is it a good idea? It obviously wasn't because we wanted that green beam on. But now, let's just make that the last one. Okay. Actually, there's two that we still need to get. There's that one in the hallway in the middle. Okay, and then there's the green beam dude to the south. Okay. So here I can get in this way now. And I can put a gem and get this back on. All right. And that lets me walk through here. So the deal is, again, it's a get in, get out. There's like a stone there. Oh, but that double beam gets me out. No, it's just naturally posed. So we go here, we go, oops, we go there, we go get in, get out. Easy clap. Now, middle hallway guy. Green beam would get me there. And like I said, oh. I mean, I'm not sure. So if I rotate this green beam to the right, then I get it. So what's my best way to do that? I could just do that from out here. The problem is I can't get out. So, okay. Yeah. So here's the thing. I could do that. Now, as soon as I get back, oh yeah, we just do this. We just do this. We go tang, tang, kablang-a-lang. All right. Cool. Oh, well now, remember this? Remember the way we used to get in here? Remember how things used to be? Oh wait, no, we don't want that one yet. Because we want to get that guy out. All right. Unwind. Okay, now we've just got these two that are like in the middle of the universe. But I feel like, oh no, I feel like I want the green beam to get those. Actually, no, let's have it be this one. Where are the, no, I want that. Oh, God damn it, dude. Okay. How about this guy? Can this guy help us? Not really. Can he help us this way? Not really. Dude, I got the wrong thing. See? Okay. Let's just, we could think harder about this, but let's not do that. Let's leave this there. We can come back and get that. I can quit anytime. Okay. Oh, that also doesn't help us that much. Except we can get this green beam back now. Like that. And that was the original conflagration. See, I just want to be done now. I just need to get back in there. Wondering if I'm familiar with fourth. Dude, I learned fourth in the 90s. In the 90s. Is it a game? Yeah, it was the fourth game ever made. Here's the video game number 4. Like what? Okay, if I get my purple beam back, I could get out after getting that gem. Problem is, so either I shut the purple beam off and then the room to the south, or opposite order, right? And I don't really see how to do opposite order. Because again, I mean, I could use that orange beam to, it doesn't really work. See, this is like hyper annoying. I think I actually need to turn this one back on. And then do this. See that? That gets me in here, easy clap. And then I come out. And then I rotate it back the way it was. Okay. It wasn't that bad, guys. Oh, except that's the way I was getting out. That orange beam. Oh, no. Okay. Well, that gets me one of the gems. But like that orange beam was my way out, so I can't. Bro. Lizard, help me. Lizard, please help me. Am I missing anything? Surely the answer is yes. There's an entrance from the basement. Yeah, that's not the problem. Getting over there is easy. It's getting into this little area where I am right now. Okay, this is the only way that I know to get the other gem. So I think what I'm concluding is I do need this one first. Now, how do I get out without that green beam? Yet I don't see any other beam that goes through that room, which means by definition there can't. Oh, unless I could smash that stone down there. Which doesn't seem possible. Like there is a smash beam that goes next to it. However, it's in a wall and there's no through beam that puts me in that wall. So, how do I get that one gem? This is our last gem that we don't know how to get. Okay, so the green beam in there doesn't need to be going left, right? If I have the other double beam coming down or coming up like it does. Oh, no, it's still, that doesn't get us all the way there. That only helps us get out of that square, not in. Oh, but I could get in with the other purple beam. If the purple... Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Enough funny prank times. So, like... Here's what we do. Maybe. We turn... Oh, it's there. We do that. I mean, I need to get the frickin' purple beam rotated frickin' back, which is, I mean, we'll see about our ability to do that. But we walk in here, we do this, Okay. And then, so I can get in with the purple beam, provided it's rotated the right way. Like that. And then I can get out. See, I can shut it off like this. And then I grab this. And now I can get out with the orange beam. That is not turned on yet. But trust me. Trust. Trust. Okay. Oh, except I can't. I cannot. Oh, you know what would let me get out, though? I'm finally seeing a thing. See that? Do you see why that gets me out? Bam. Okay, that was actually an easy clap. Like, part of what makes this hard is just the possibility space to look at for solving anything. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, so now... Oh, except... Right. So part of our whole deal was... See... Part of our whole deal was the ordering between these two. So we needed to do this first. Okay. And not use that green beam. That was like the whole issue. All right. So now we don't have to use the green. Oh, no. Now we need another way in. Wait, what? We don't, though. Because we don't need this purple beam anymore. But now I need to go shut this off. Shut your mouth. So now I just go in the normal way. Which, you know what? Let's just go downstairs and go around. It's pretty close. Okay. I don't remember which parody. I think other one. Wow, it's so fast. Okay, so I get in this way and I go grab the grabbing hands, grab all they can. Okay, now we can do all these. The grabbing hands, grab all they can. Everything counts in large amounts. All right. So then we go here. Okay. We go not there, though. Oh, yeah, because the green's powered from the next room. We go there. We go there. We go there. I believe that is game. Gonna go down again. Going down again. I just can't help going down again. All right. And we just sit here and go shboomp, and he eats all his little kibbles. This part, I don't know. Maybe if you have all the gems and you feed him a few kibbles in a row, we just go to the cutscene. Okay. Wait. All right. So this is dog poop. I mean, it's very easy dog poop to fix, but So did we even save? It says we saved the test. All right, so now wait, why did that put me in another level? What level is this? Why did it put me in Mirror 14 Reprise? Oh, you know what? This might have been because I ran the Benny test. That's what it was. Okay, that's still dog poop, but it's not anything we need to worry about. I don't know. Like, what happens if I do this? I just recorded a hella long test. Probably doesn't work, but let's see. We'll find out. I mean, it only took 2 hours. It still looks like it's making sense. Remember that? Remember when I did that? Remember all these things that happened a lot of times? Hey, remember when I got that? Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Okay, well, that's the first time we've ever successfully saved a test for that. GG's. Wow, that file is big. What is going on? Size. Oh, it's only 3 megs. Why is it taking so long? Yeah, so the deal is there's just so much to work on this in this game that we haven't been able to focus on that, unfortunately. Or I asked some people to focus on it, and then it just didn't happen. So we need to go do it again. And that's just where we're at, you know? There's much more integration now than just a few weeks ago. I don't know what you mean by that. I think maybe you're just looking at different parts of the game. Okay, tweak test failure reporting to be less hacky. That is what we did there. Hacky sack. Oh. What? What is going on? Did somebody else edit this, or was I? Please don't make my life more difficult. Somebody. Maybe somebody just fixed my compile error that I checked in. Oh, yeah. Somebody just did. All right. This is... I don't do this very often, but it's mine, guys. Oh, and I have a no check-in, so it's not even that. Okay, we don't need to explain that anymore. We were going to do something worse. This one's fine. When it was a hash table, I was going to explain why, but it's not necessary. Okay, so somebody else had edited the file because I goofed and checked in a version that didn't compile last night. So they had to deal with that. Sorry, whoever had to deal with that. But that's good. That's good. Okay. So we're down to single-digit fails for the first time, probably ever. We have 9 fails. Who knows how long that will be the case? Probably not too long. But we're down to 9 fails. I definitely have a list of things to work on. I'm going to remember that email draft that I said I did. Drafts. Slightly harder, but maybe it's actually easier because part of the issue is just how many freaking beans there are to look at and think about all the time. Also, the way there are red herrings like gates that can never be opened, etc. Red herring. Feeling things like gates that can never be opened, etc. Though, yeah, there's a good reason for that to be a gate. So, yeah, I see why this is. Players may not. I felt like I had one other note. I don't know. All right. I already wrote down a thing that's going to break that replay. Something in the undo system. More levels having good visuals. I mean, yeah, there's more levels with good visuals all the time, but I mean, maybe it just depends on what levels you're seeing as well. Okay. This may be the time to sign off from the stream, guys. It may be time for me to go out into the world and be a dude for a little bit. You know what I mean? Is George still streaming? What's his Twitch name? He is live. He is streaming. He is programming in Scala for some reason. All right, well, someday he'll know what programming language to program in. Thanks, everybody.
They don't all exist.
We'll see you later on.